Hey guys, I am here with the brand new Pokemon Mega Construx packs. So I have the Pikachu versus Bulbasaur pack, the Squirtle versus Charmander pack, and I have two individual packs. I have one of the Magikarp and one of Eevee. There are so many to collect already. I don't think there's nothing on the back of that one. So let me go ahead and flip this one over and we can see what's going on here. Here's a few other ones that you can collect. I know there's even more. I've seen them crazy. So we have this one here, this one here, and this one here. These are kind of bigger packs, but not a battle set, you know what I mean? This one's kind of like a battle set. This one is just a big Pokemon. Like, this is going to be a big Pokemon figure. So I think that's really, really, really awesome. I don't know if this one is any different on the back. Probably not. No, there's not. I know there's a bunch of individual packs as well, but there's nothing on the back about these. Maybe there'll be a checklist inside or something. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get these open and start building them. Here is a closer look at all of the ones you can collect in this series. Like I said, there are a ton of them. But so cool. I don't see oh, there's Magikarp. I was like, I don't see Magikarp up there, but he's there, he's there, he's there. So this is just the back of the instruction booklet for one of them. I'll just give you a peek of this one. I'm not going to show you like all the instruction booklets because it's just self-explanatory. It gives you instructions on how to build it. And then there's a picture of what it looks like when it's finished, which I think that's great. Nice reference picture. We have that pile, so those are two different sets. And then we have our Pokeballs. So these are the individual ones, which I think this is a really good idea. So this is the Pokeball, and it just comes open like so. And then they have the pieces for the little Pokemon inside. And there is this little, like a kind of a bit of a checklist here of the individual ones you can collect. So, okay, I see 2, 4, 6 of them. I've only seen these top ones. I've never seen these ones, so maybe they're gonna come in a different wave or something, but these are all the steps on how to build this. It's just like this long sheet of paper, and then at the end you can totally put them on your Pokeball and have a good old time. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this one, and then I'm gonna build Eevee, and then I'll show you what they look like. Here are Magikarp and Eevee all completed, and they look really, really cool. I really like these. I think a lot of collectors are gonna like these. They were a little bit difficult to put together just for a simple small figure though. Well, Eevee, well, I don't know. Once I got the hang of it, I kind of figured it out, but like, I don't know, I thought there'd only be a couple pieces, but these were pretty intricate for being just single figures, so that's really awesome, and I like them a lot, how they stick on their Pokeballs, and you can even put them inside, like so. They can even stick in there. Can we close it with Eevee's ears though? No, I don't think so. I just have to fold them down, like sad Eevee. And then, whoops, couldn't shut that. Like that. Now let's bring Eevee out here. ears again, like so. Okay, and then let's go ahead, after I put Eevee on there, let's go ahead and start building one of these. Let's build the Charmander and Squirtle pack.
Okay, here is the finished product. Took a little bit longer than I thought. Very intricate, but really cool at the same time. Look at all these, we're gonna have so many Pokemon.
So we did get 2 leftover pieces, I believe, these 2. So that's awesome, always good to have an extra piece. Okay, we have this set next. This is gonna be a lengthy video because I didn't know that these would take so long to make, but this is the next set. It looks super cool. I love the tree. Let's go ahead and get started. Here is the completed piece. There's a couple extra pieces, or they could have had to have gone in there. I don't know. I think I did everything I was supposed to. This is really cool. I think this one might be my favorite. I just really like the tree, and I like all the leaves on the trees and everything, and then how Pikachu's up on the tree. It's really, really cool. I know it's going to be difficult, but let me know which set is your favorite, and let me know which Pokemon is your favorite. My favorite Pokemon is probably going to be the Magikarp. My favorite set overall is this one with the tree here. But let me know your favorite in the comment section down below. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!